Out here doing drift demos in the 180SX, and I thought I'll give you a quick walk around just to show you the car before we get into action. It's a 1991 model with TE37s wrapped in Falken RT615K plus tyres. SR20 powered, running a TD06 turbo. Inside we've got bride seats, bride interior trims, Nardi wheel, runs an RB25 transmission, so the shifter's a little further back than usual, that's why it's all a little bit different. Hydraulic handbrake, HPI harnesses, half cage with intrusions, and yeah, it makes around 255 rear wheel kilowatts. It's basically been in this trim for the last 10 years. Let's take it for a run.